Today is part 3 of the Summer Burger Series, and I'm with budding star of stage and screen, Quentin.
Hey!
Oh. So we got a nice soft bun, lettuce, tomatoes, bacon, double smash patties, pickles, ketchup, mustard.
The bun, nicely toasted on the inside. The patties are so juicy. One big pro about this burger, it's not shy on the meat.
My con for this burger is perhaps the sauces. It's ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise, pretty standard. What's your overall taste, eating experience of this burger?
Out of 50, I would say 47.
That's a superior burger.